We will need 2 cups of flour, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of milk powder, 3 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of caster sugar, quarter cup of lukewarm water and quarter cup of lukewarm milk, 2 teaspoons of yeast. Our first step is to mix the water in the milk and leave it aside. And wash the egg so it's easier to mix in our ingredients. Now in one large bowl, add in the flour along with the sugar. If you don't have caster sugar, you can add normal sugar as well. And then the milk powder. And the yeast. And the egg. And lastly, the butter. Your butter can be melted or it can be at room temperature, it's up to you. And then we're going to mix all the ingredients together. When you feel like your ingredients have mixed in nicely, with the help of our milk mixture, we're going to form a nice soft dough. Add the milk mixture gradually. Please note our dough is going to be very sticky and very soft, so it's going to be a bit difficult to handle. When our dough has formed, we're going to knead it on our shelf for about 5 minutes. We're going to stretch the dough so the gluten can form. In a bowl, add some oil and spread it with the use of a brush so the dough doesn't stick to the side. Place the dough in the middle and cover it and let it rise for 2 hours or until it has doubled in size. The timing is super important. For our filling, we will need, these are our ingredients. We need 1 chicken fillet boiled and shredded, 1 teaspoon of allspice powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup milk, 1 egg for coating, 2 tablespoons of butter, and some sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of flour, half a bell pepper chopped and half a onion chopped, 2 small green chilies chopped and some coriander. Now in the pan we're going to add in the butter and we're going to melt it at medium to low speed. Now our butter has melted nicely, so we're going to add in the onions. And we're going to cook the onions till they reach that color that is almost brown. Okay. Now that our onions have become soft, we're going to add in the flour. And we're going to mix it at very low flame. Now that we have mixed our flour nicely, we're going to add in the milk gradually. And we're going to mix as we add. Do this on very low flame, and we need to cook the milk till our sauce becomes a thick white sauce. The flour will help it to get thick. Now we're going to add the rest of the milk also. And now we're going to cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes till it becomes thick. Spices, the salt, the allspice powder and our black pepper, all in at once, and mix it. Deposit. Now this is how thick we want it. Now we're going to add in the chicken, and we're going to add in the bell peppers, and we're going to add in the dhania and the green chilies, and we're going to mix it nicely till it becomes like a thick chicken paste. Now we're going to roll out our dough, and we're going to let this cool down before we fill it in our bread. Now for our dough, we're going to sprinkle some flour on the shelf. We're going to roll it like this into a long shape, not a round shape, a long one, because you have to fold the sides. It's a bit difficult to roll as the dough is very thick at the moment, but as you do it, it will relax. This is our dough rolled out, and now I'm going to put this in our baking tray before we can fill it. I placed it in my baking tray. Now you're going to place the filling in the middle, then you're going to cut the sides and fold on top. Now I placed the filling in the middle. Now we're going to cut the sides. Now we're going to fold it. We're going to bring this over. To bring from one side, then you bring it from the other side. I folded our chicken bread now, and now we're going to coat it with an egg. We're going to fill in those places where you can see the chicken still, so our filling will be more secure. I've coated it with egg, and now I'm going to sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Some sesame seeds now. Now I'm going to bake it at 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees until it becomes a golden color. So after 25 minutes, our chicken bread is done. You can see the golden brown color it has gotten, and this is how it's supposed to be. I've cut out a slice to show you how nice it looks from the inside. You can see the filling, you can see how fluffy our bread is. I hope you enjoy this recipe and you will try it at home. Please do let me know in the comment section how this recipe went for you.